Welcome. Today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display on this device. So first we'll just unlock the device, and now we should go to the settings application and just go into the display section, and here tap on the lock screen. Here as you can see, we got the enabled only the always on display option, and here we can add on our AUD option here to show all the notifications that we get on our device. Also, we can here add the text on our lock screen. For example, we'll enter the hard reset. Just tap to save. Here also you can show the wallet, show the device controls, and for example, when you just listen some music, you can tap here to identify your songs playing the nearby, also to see the playing history and turn on the notifications here also. And I think that's it. That's all that we can just add to our always on display option. And now as can you see here, we got the new the hard reset just option, sorry, and we got here the hard reset, we got here the our music, and our just clock is here on the left upper corner, not here. Also we got here the notifications from our device. I think that's all our open applications we got here also, and here we got also the fingerprint sensor. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.